here. And thank you for showing up for yourselves, and we're gonna have a great night. So cheers to all of you. So yes, we are showcasing Forge tonight. This is my event venue. I am so grateful and blessed to be here, and with all of your help, I'm going to hit my 2022 goals. So, if you have a wedding, if you have a company holiday party, a get-together, some kind of corporate function, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to work with you, and let's hit our goals this year. Thank you so much for coming out.